All right, guys, the second part of our lesson is going to be about the Chinese and China. So we're going to talk about Confucianism today. So Confucianism may be considered a religion, a philosophy, an ethical way of life, or even a tradition of learning. For more than 2,000 years, It has permeated, Chinese culture and thinking, and it continues to do so today. Among its most basic teachings are deep respect for ancestors, parents, and elders, the importance of polite behavior, and concern for other humans. Okay, so Confucianism is part of the Chinese culture, okay? It's the way they think, it's things that they do, it's basic teaching. So it's saying you will respect your ancestors or the people that came before you. Ancestors are the people in your family who are passed, your parents, your elders, the people who are older than you. Okay. It also says you should be polite and you should be concerned about other humans. To me, those kinds of sound like good qualities to have. Confucianism is based on the teachings of the great Chinese philosopher Confucius, who was an outstanding scholar, thinker, and teacher. His ethical teachings influenced not only China, but also most of East Asia, including Korea and Japan. Confucius devoted his life to teaching and learning. He worked to make education a means of improving Chinese society and government. Teachings attributed to Confucius are preserved in the text known as the Analects. Confucius sought to explore the human condition, including the self, community, and tradition. Okay, so Confucianism comes from a great Chinese scholar, someone who was smart and was always trying to learn. His name was Confucius. Um, his ethical teachings, which means he taught on things that are correct, things that you should do. Um, they influence not just China, but East Asia and Korea and Japan. Okay. Confucius's whole life was just devoted. The only thing that he wanted to do in his life, and the only thing that he did was teach and learn. Okay. He wanted to make education more important. He wanted education to improve the Chinese society and government. So we're going to learn more about that during this lesson.